This 2024 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40 LSDL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in West Seneca, New York, 14224 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Buffalo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 9 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.